Welcome. If you're looking to make your Instagram account public, you've come to the right place. A public account allows anyone to see your posts and stories, which can help you reach a wider audience. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Instagram app on your device. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're in the app, look for your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your profile page. Next, you'll want to find the More icon. This is represented by 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile page. Tap on that icon to open a menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings. Here, you'll find a variety of settings that control how your account operates. Look for the option labeled Privacy and tap on it. This section contains all the important settings regarding who can see your content. Now, locate the Account Privacy option. You should see a toggle switch next to Private Account. If this toggle is enabled, it means your account is currently private. To make your account public, simply disable this toggle by tapping on it. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you really want to make this change. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping Change. Congratulations! Your Instagram account is now public. This means that anyone can view your posts and stories without needing to follow you first. Remember, switching to a public account can significantly increase your visibility on Instagram, allowing more people to discover and engage with your content. If you ever decide to revert back to a private account, just follow these steps again and re-enable the private account option. Thank you for joining me today. Now go ahead and enjoy sharing your life with a broader audience on Instagram.